Hello, I want to share this Liposomal Vitamin C supplement I've been taking since the beginning of the fall. I live in Chicago and winters here are long, cold, and full of seasonal viruses going around. I like to support my immune system during this time of the year, and this is the vitamin C I've been using daily. This one is Liposomal Vitamin C, which means it's designed for better absorption compared to regular vitamin C. Each serving gives a high dose and the capsules are easy to swallow. I started taking it before the holiday season around fall, and I've continued through winter as part of my daily routine. I take it with food and water, usually in the morning. I also like that it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and tested for quality. The bottle is large with 180 capsules, so it lasts a good amount of time. For me, this is a simple daily add-on, especially during cold Chicago winters when I want extra immune support. As always, check with your healthcare professional before starting any supplement, but if you're looking for a high absorption vitamin C option, this one is worth a look.